Hi, good day. This is Kent Lau. Now, yesterday I went for a coaching to engineering firm. So they have this. They engage me to coach them how to do this job simpler. So at the present, they have few thousands rows of item and divided into few sections. And the challenge is here, right, where you need to itemize, you need to put the numberings at the side, just like what I show you right now. See, right? So at first you think that that is not a problem, right? Just simply put that, right? Although you may think that the order is easier, right? You can just do like this, right? And then you drag and then you just drag. But then the problem is that they have their space, and the spacings are uneven. Some are two rows, some are one rows. So after they present me this challenge, right, I decide to and I do I give them a solution. Uh, but before that, I actually listen for some time before I propose a solution, right? Because I want to know more in depth what exactly that their problem is. So here is this, right? That we have a 16 right now. Now let's say, for example, that let's say someone's right. He wants the persons decide to delete this. So it's just deleting this, right? So do you think that solved the problem? Not yet, right? You can see that this number now has to change back to 6, it's a 7, and 8, right? Can you imagine that there are 10 sections and there are more than thousands items that need to be renumbering? So this has been done for years, right? Until they find me to solve their problems. So you can see that how tedious is that, right? Let's say I want to okay, let's say something in the middle, right? Okay, these two items I don't need it anymore, so I just delete it. But now I have to renumber again, right? So you can see that these are all manually done at the moment. So they want the solution in Excel, so they engage me, right? Um, so I'm glad they engaged me because I am the one that can provide them the solution. So the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how an hour of repetitive tasks, right, such as these, right, where I want to change the items. I say I delete these items, then it has to be onto this is the tree, and you see that there are repetitive tasks, right, that can be simplified using Excel macro. And if you like what the demo later, right, you can purchase my solution for USD 8 USD, right? So let's see, take a look at what I have done for them, right? So let's say here, right? So instead of putting that, I have designed a macro and just simply click. You see, that's done right now. Let's just say, okay, 4 I don't want, right? Just delete it. So no problem, right? Just click on this. Now notice that 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 8 9, right? So this has to be used to be 5 6 7, right? So I just click this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. You can see that. And it even gathers those who have two lines for one items. So then next I can clear this. Now how many times you can use it. And now from 360 for an hour, that is about 60 minutes times 60 seconds. So that would be 300, and let's see, right? So that is easily 60 minutes. An hour is about 60 minutes, and times 60 second, right, is 3,600 minutes, seconds, right? They used to be taking 3,600 seconds, but how much does it take now to auto numbering? 1 second or less than that, right? Is it a worthwhile coaching sessions? I'm glad. What do you think? Now, if you purchase my solution for USD8, right, you will also get these time saving ideas, right? So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So you want to be have like you want to be like, say this is 123 and 45 cent, right? So how much time do you need, and how accurate is that for your wordings, right? But looks this: ringgit Malaysia 123 and cents 45 only, and this is ringgit 45 45, right? So you think that I'm just recording it, right? So let's just see, right, what happened, right? So I just want to say 128.59 then, right? And then you, oh, notice that it just changed 125 8 and cents, right? And so on, right? Let's see. Okay, so then okay, let's see if I can just create a very huge amount, right? Wow, it can be done, right? 236 millions, right? You can see that. So I just drag this, and then you can see that it's all just automatic change, right? See that? Right, it's including the decimal point. Okay, so if you like this, right, go ahead, click on the buttons, and you will get your solutions in an hour time. Thank you. So if you like to engage us to help you to do this or customize this, right, you can always contact me here, and don't forget to get your free downloads for all this, right? We have helped hundreds corporate cut data analysis by half, right? Now that is just basic. There's a minimums guarantees, right? But you can see from the examples, right? We help them, right? You see, right? If it's an hours, we cut by half, right? That would be like an hour would be 6,600, right? So after that, after engaging us, right, it become thousands, say 1,800. So that is by half. You see, right? But it's just divide by this. It's by half. So this is what we call. But now let's say in this example, right? After our coaching, right? How much time did we cut? We cut by these, right? And we just what they say one minus these, right? We cut 99% of their time of doing that repetitive task. So engage us, and you see wonders and wow effect. Thank you very much.